Hello everyone, I'm Laura Lemus from Long Island Winds with Victoria Daza from Job with Justice. We are doing a series of 3 Know Your Rights videos to share with our Long Island community about immigration and customs enforcement known as ICE. ICE is one of the federal government agencies responsible for deporting people. ICE is part of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The Trump administration announced that ICE will focus on deporting people with pending criminal cases and/or prior criminal convictions, people with final orders of removal, people who were deported and re-entered, people who have committed fraud, and people who they believe pose a threat to public safety or national security. We recommend you speak with a lawyer even if your conviction was from years ago, even if you didn't serve jail time, and even if your case was minor or a misdemeanor. Victoria, what if ICE comes to your place of work?
Immigration officers are not allowed to enter your workplace, whether it is a factory, store, high-rise, farm, or orchard, without permission from the owner or manager. If an officer does get permission, the officer is free to ask your questions about your immigration status, but you have the right to remain silent. In most states, you don't even have to tell the agent your name. Although if detained, you may want to provide your name only so your family or attorney can locate you. You also have the right to talk to a lawyer before you answer any questions. You can tell the officer, "I wish to talk to a lawyer," in response to any questions the officer may ask you. You do not need to tell the immigration officers where you were born or what your immigration status is. You do not have to show the officer your papers or any immigration documents. If the officer asks you for your papers, tell the officer, "I wish to talk to a lawyer."
Thanks, Victoria. If you're detained by ICE agents and are under custody and they start giving you papers to sign, what should you do?
Don't sign anything ICE gives you without a lawyer present. ICE might try to get you to sign away your right to see a lawyer or a judge. Invoke your right for legal representation. Tell ICE agents that you will not speak to them until you have a lawyer in the room. Be sure you understand what a document actually says. Fight back. Get a trustworthy attorney. Explore all your options to fight your case if detained. You might be able to get bail. Don't give up hope. If you see ICE, call the Long Island hotline, 516-387-2043. If you or a loved one is detained, call the Immigration Law Unit hotline, 844-955-3425.